In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Facebook. It's pretty simple and easy. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. I'm going to provide you with two different steps. With the first one, we have to do it on our Facebook app. All we have to do is to navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile menu and tap on it. Then scroll down until you locate settings and privacy and tap on it. Then proceed to tap on settings. Then you land on an interface like this. Continue to scroll down until you locate browser. Then under browsing data, you have the option to clear your browsing data. So you can proceed to tap on clear. So once you are done with this, the second method, we have to navigate to our device settings. On your phone, proceed to locate the settings gear. Then on this interface, scroll down until you locate apps. Then proceed to tap on apps. Then on this interface, you can make a quick search by tapping in the search box and then search for Facebook. I'll proceed to tap on this best match. This will land you on an interface like this. Then continue to tap on storage. Then you have a list of information here. In order to clear the cache, all you have to do is to scroll down and locate clear cache on the bottom right corner. And when you continue to tap on clear cache, you have successfully cleared cache on Facebook. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider check out our next video. See you in the next video.